HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language for creating websites. HTML documents are formed by elements that are represented with tags. The standard version used today is HTML5. It is responsible for the basic look and layout of web pages, to mark out blocks, to add content, images, and make text bold or italic. CSS, Cascading Style Sheet, is a must in web development. We use it to add style to our website, including the layout and design. We also use it to properly display our website on different devices and screen sizes. The core part of CSS is its properties. Hurry! Register now. Class is to begin on 13th July.